Thank you for purchasing this Sojag product, which you'll enjoy all year long. If you need additional instructions, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service line. The installation should be carried out by a minimum of 2 people, and be sure to install it on a level surface. Open the boxes carefully and unpack all the parts. Group the parts together by type and place them on the lawn or on a blanket so as to avoid damaging them. You are now ready to begin the installation. Attach the column A to the base M1 using the screws V. Repeat for all remaining columns A. Slide half of a union bar D into the long ogee B and attach using screws V. Slide the second half of the union bar D into the long ogee B1 and attach using screws V. Repeat this process for all remaining ogees B, B1, C, and C1. Install the short ogees C and C1 between 2 columns A using the screws U on the inside of the ogees and the screws X on the outside of the ogees. Repeat with the long ogees B and B1. Insert the hooks into tracks on the parts B2A, B2B, C2A, and C2B. Refer to the illustrations in the manual for quantity and location. Attach the tracks B2A, B2B, C2A, and C2B to the ogees using the screws V. Install the joint cover plates W1 using the screws Y and V over the joints between the ogees B and B1 and the ogees C and C1. Install a corner cover W using the screws Y on each corner of the structure. Attach the corner solidifying bars L1 and L2 to each corner of the structure using the screws V. Attach the corner roof bars E to the inside roof connector K1 using the screws V. Place the roof structure on top of the ogees. Screw the corner roof bars E to the columns A using screws V. Attach the roof bars F to the inside roof connector K1 using screws V. Screw the roof bars F to the ogees B, B1, C, and C1 using screws V. Repeat for all remaining middle roof bars F. Install the outside roof connector K to the inside roof connector K1. From the underside of the sun shelter, install the solidifying bars G and H according to the illustration in the manual using the iron angles M3 and M4 and the screws V. Assemble all the roof panels using the nuts and bolts X1. Place the roof panels on the roof and secure them using the brackets I and screws Y. Place the cover roof bars F1 on the roof panels and screw to roof bars F using the screws Y1. After this step, tighten the screws under the inside roof connector K1. It is important to anchor the gazebo to the ground, making sure it is well squared to keep it from moving or becoming damaged in strong winds. Use Tapcon screws for concrete surfaces and wood screws for wood surfaces. Install the mosquito netting along the tracks by inserting the hooks one at a time into each of the eyelets found along the top border of the netting, with the short end of the panel installed on the short side of the shelter so that the zippers will line up at the center of each side. Each mosquito net panel is equipped with a strap and a small hook towards the middle. Locate this hook and ensure that it is facing toward the exterior of the shelter. Attach the hook to a column A. Repeat for the other netting panels. If you have purchased the optional curtains, install the curtain first on the track closest to the ogee, then install mosquito netting on the track closest to the inside of the shelter. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy your Sojag sun shelter.